Okay, let's answer the last question first. Okay, wow, it's moving at orbital velocity, right? Okay, and this is like almost like the Earth's magnetic field, right? Okay, so let's see. Well, how long does the wire have to be to generate a potential of 45 volts from one end to the other? What end is positive? So let's answer the what end is positive. So let's put a positive charge on this wire. Even though positive charges don't move, this still works. The velocity is to the left, so make your hello. There we go. Let's make your index finger go that way. Okay. Make your middle finger go into the page. So let's see, index finger, middle finger into the page. Right? I feel like that positive charge is going to move to the bottom of the page. Okay. So the bottom is positive, top is negative, right? Okay. And then we have to figure out the okay, I swear to God I hit that. Okay, so now we're going to do the EMF is B times V times L, and we want 45 meters is equal to 3.7 times 10 to the fifth minus fifth Teslas. Velocity is quite a lot, 5,680, right? And then we're solving for L. So I'm going to go 45 divided by 3.7 E minus 5 divided by 5680. I get 214 meters. 214.12 meters. Yay! I guess we only have two sig figs, so 210 is just as close as we can get. All right.